Today's video is going to be about the second deal, and just like the name says, you deal the second card of the pack. For instance, if I have a joker on top here and I deal it onto this pile, the joker should be here, but it's not. I keep it for myself on top of the pack. So it doesn't matter how many cards I deal out, the joker stays on top of the pack because I am dealing the second card. Let me flip the deck over to show you what this is, what this looks like. If the joker's on top, I just grab the second card like this and keep the joker for myself the whole time. You can even turn cards over this way and keeping the joker for yourself. And that's what a second deal looks like right there. Now let me explain how you can achieve this. It takes lots of practice. You start by rubbing your thumb slightly without moving any cards, just on the back of the deck like this. Just lightly rub your thumb. That's the move. And then you increase the pressure onto the card just enough to make the card slide with your thumb. But you don't want to have a lot of pressure because it'll be almost impossible to get that second card out from underneath of it if you're pushing down on it. You have to lightly rub and then just ever so lightly move that top card with it. And once you get that down, you reach in with your thumb and you grab the border of the card underneath of it, like this. It's useful to practice slowly doing this, and then speeding it up ever so lightly and slowly until you get really good at it. It takes 100 hours practice, I don't know, a lot of practice to get this down. But once you do, you'll be able to keep the card you want on top, just rubbing your thumb to get started and then slightly moving the card and then grabbing the card underneath of it. Just like this in slow motion. This is the easiest way to do the second deal. There are much more complicated ways. I haven't practiced those for 100 hours. So here we go. This is how you do this one. And to turn the cards over, you do the same exact thing, but then use your index finger or middle finger to grab it instead of your thumb, like that. And that's how you do the second deal. Best thing you could probably do is put on your favorite TV show or series and just sit for like a half hour just slowly doing this, and if it's boring to you, and then as you're watching your show you'll begin to forget and you'll just sit here and deal the cards out one after another, holding the top card for yourself every time until you get really good at it and you can deal them on out. And that's the second deal right there. If you like the video, share, drop a like, subscribe, come back for the next one.